Hi, my name is Julia and I'm the Area Sales Manager for Northern Europe. I'm very passionate about helping box manufacturers like you achieve their biggest goals, and I can guarantee you that buying a new machine is not always the right solution. This video will help you decide whether buying a new folder gluer is right for your company or whether you should invest in packaging equipment. Plus, I'll tell you exactly what steps you need to take. Is buying a new folder gluer the solution to my problem? Yes and no. The first step to answering this question is to identify why the capacity of your current folder gluer is limited. In other words, where is the bottleneck taking place? Is it at the gluing, packing, or feeding stage? Once identified, the second step is to collect data on your production and work methods. Analyzing this data will rationalize why this bottleneck is taking place and how you can address it. But more importantly, this data will be your stepping stone to knowing where you are now and where you want to go. Buying a new folder gluer could be a bad decision. It is important for you to know that getting a new folder gluer does not mean a simple hands-down investment in a gluer. You need to think about the following aspects. You'll need space. You'll need another trained operator. Also, you'll need other workers around the packing stations. You will also need equipment to manage the output and palletization. So adding a new folder gluer is not an overnight decision. It is a big step with many things to consider. No one enjoys regretting a purchase, especially with high-ticket items that require a substantial investment. Should I buy a new folder gluer or invest in packaging equipment? Here is how to decide. Step 1. Determine why the capacity of your folder gluer is limited by identifying where bottlenecks are taking place. Step 2. Collect data on your production and work methods. Step 3. Analyze this data to discover why your folder gluer's productivity is limited. Step 4. If you found out that your bottleneck is at the gluing stage, this means that your folder gluer has hit its maximum potential and you need 1. To invest in a new folder gluer, a better gluing material with stronger bonding, or an upgraded gluing and glue inspection system. Step 5. If you find out that your bottleneck is at the packing stage, this means that your folder gluer has not hit its maximum potential and you'd want to follow these steps. Consistently tune your folder gluer until you've mastered your folding gluing process. Then, implement the top 7 tips to maximize your folder gluer's productivity and begin exploring your options of folder gluer packaging equipment. So what should you do now? Here are your next steps. If you want to learn how to master your folding gluing process, but you're not ready to invest yet, read this article about the top 5 ways to maximize your folder gluer productivity with $0 investment. No one enjoys regretting a purchase, especially when it involves investing from your company's hard-earned money. And we want to make sure that you make the right decision. Remember, our success is directly tied to your success, and we want you to be successful. Thanks for watching and see you soon.